Hey kids, today we are going to learn the sound of letter R. R is for rabbit. A rabbit is a small fluffy animal. R is for robot. Robot. R is for rainbow. Rainbow. R is for rose. Rose. R is for ring. Ring. R is for rocket. Rocket. R is for rain. Rain. R is for reindeer. Reindeer. R is for road. Road. R is for rattle. Rattle. Woohoo! We have learnt the sound of letter R. See you in the next video. Do not forget to subscribe our channel.